All right. Uh, what's up? What's up with you, man? Been crushing it, man. What's that? I'm on the hourly chart. How's your day looking? How's your day looking? Oh, you not in the trades? You not in the trades right now, are you? I think you took them yesterday or overnight. For exactly. What's going on with y'all? No, I just got out last night. Okay, okay. Yeah, I thought you. I remember. Yeah, I think you. Yeah, you said that. You said it. That's what's up, man. You be trading. That's crazy because you be trading. You only trade not gold, a little bit of gold, but US 30. A little bit of gold US 30, or is it straight US? I think you said a little bit of gold though. I could be tripping. Am I wrong? Is it a little bit of gold? Could be. I thought you trade a little bit of gold. Say there ain't nothing wrong with that. There ain't nothing wrong with that, sir. There's nothing wrong with that. I came on 5.5K to trade on last two trades. I trade gold in US 30. No, ain't nothing wrong with that, sir. See, I don't have my. I don't know if that's a prop firm or your personal account. I don't have. And don't tell me how much you get in your personal account. That's not what we're asking. I don't have enough capital or leverage to risk that amount. You know what I mean? Like if let's pretend that was personal. That's where it's like I really, oh man, that's something I wish that I can't wait to get to where I can put that much leverage on a trade, right? And that's what you doing exactly what you should be doing, crushing it, crushing it. Yeah, exactly what you should be doing. Nothing more than less. That's exactly what you should be doing. Man, so he is crushing it. 5.5K, nothing wrong with that, sir. There's not a single thing wrong with that. I guess I could throw all this stuff throw away, but there's all the stuff I used on yesterday. Um, guess I could. So yeah, let's go to the 4 hour. I'm gonna look at this real quick. So the 4 hour, we got this imbalance that was holding right here, touching this aura block, which is good, but came down. So I wonder, can I not? Um, hmm. I'd love to actually clear some of that up. Let me see. There we go. There we go. Coming down to this aura block, fair value gap right here, this area, touching this aura block. Now we're doing a sell off. So now I think we're going to hit this sell side if we haven't already. I think we have. But we also in this 4 hour for 4 hour fair value gap. So let me let's mark this up. All right. So we got a 4 hour fair value gap right there. And this wick. It'd be interesting if we start trading back up. Have to sweep and sell aside, or do we start aiming lower? So I'm just gonna see how we, all about how we react up in this area to see if we engage it from internal to external, or till we just keep on falling down from this external and then just keep on falling down, trading a little more down in discount. This is, so I have this on the chart. This is the midnight opening. So the lowest low right there, and the highest high is there. Hope the indices fall, but looking at the past history, we should bounce the London hours. Yeah, I think so, man. I think that's a great call out. I think so. I really think so because it just, I'm with you on that. So it could absolutely fall. Like I'm not, it absolutely could fall. The only thing about it, to me, my personal opinion, is like how we trade in this area right here. That we kind of start reversing up. You know how it does. Like it displaces, come down, then we start reversing back up, targeting all this. So I think how we trade up in here is kind of help guide it. But I absolutely think and the reason I'm looking at this is because you're right. If we start displacing that lower, then we getting this, filling in this, all that good stuff. So shorts, it's very possible that we short today. Trying to get one more thing ready for me. Because if I don't do it, I will not do it. So this is the first present for value gap, okay? Yeah. All right. We are locked and loaded with the levels. Now we're just waiting for a setup inside, ideally inside of macro. So it's gonna be patient. 5 minute, 2 minute. Let's see what we're doing. Yeah, ES or ES. NAS look like it's trying to sell off. Oh, remembering this, what this is right here. This is a 4 hour fair value gap right here. So I'm seeing how we trade up in here. Not any rush to do anything. Not seeing anything like. Not seeing anything like, oh yeah, we're missing out on something or anything like that. It was 830 low. Did we take 830 low? Okay, we did take an 830 low. So that was 830 low. So I was kind of looking at that. That was 830's low. That was a news low. So kind of looking at monitoring that. Kind of said like we traded it. So that's out of play. Coming up on a S&T as well. This is S&T. This whole thing is S&T right now. We're not this low, or we're lower on ES than we are in NAS. Yeah, something to monitor. Below midnight. See if we can get back up above here. Yeah, looking at this gap, see if we get above here. It'd be interesting too. I'm going to shade this so we open here and went down, down, close. So what do we open this candle? We open, yeah, we open here. I'm tripping. So I'm gonna mark this as my I wish I could make it even less transparent. Let's see how it looks in the chart. I wonder who bought 10-year Fed, 10 NCs, PM. They currently have a liquidity issue. What do you mean by liquidity issue? What do you mean by that? I'm not sure what you mean by that. Liquidity issue. Let's see. I know we're dropping off. Pretty heavy. Yeah. Is that okay? Dropping off pretty heavy. Seeing sell side. Possibly here. And here. again. Uh, so this is a 4 hour gap trading above it. Maybe we'll be coming up and I'll be looking for on some bullish momentum. But if we don't, it'll stay heavy. And I'm just gonna start looking at targets lower, just like this, 15 minute, 15 minute, and this big imbalance right here. So that's some things we'll be targeting. – 15 minute fair value gap, or a 15 minute order block, I should say. Take out sell side. Yeah, on the hourly, maybe it's possible we could continue to go lower. Just gonna see some. I need to see maybe let's pull back into a 15 minute fair value gap. 5 minute fair value gap even. A little something. In this case, we pull back into a 2 minute fair value gap. That's interesting. When bonds sold, the interest rate goes up. It reported Japan and Europe have been selling U.S. bonds at profit. Oh, okay, I got you. You be doing a lot of what is this called? Not dang, what's that called? You do a lot of it's a word for that. I know what you talk. You trade off of the. There ain't nothing wrong with that too. Like so, you look at news and look at the reports and everything like that to see that influences your trading. Literally is a word for that. I don't even know what the word is for it, but that's dope. I don't know too many people do that. It's interesting. That stuff is very interesting. Where do you personally you get all your news from? Like I always wonder where y'all get like if you trade like that off of the information, like where you like you know what I'm saying? Like for me, I just use Forex calendar, like the Forex calendar, economic calendar, and then I see a red folder, news folder, but I don't do like the data behind it. I always wondered what people do or how you provided the information. So right now we just got like not a lot going on, but I'm looking at this. This is a 4 hour fair value gap. We're pushing up apparently very strong above it. This is a 4 hour fair value gap. Then on top of that, this is the midnight opening price. These two lines right here. This is a opening range, midnight opening range right here. So let's see you get above that, and then you also got this is a RTH. So this is a gap. I'm just kind of monitoring it, see how it does to there. If we do get back above there, so I would love ideally if we, I don't know. Let me get to the 5 minute. Definitely gonna have to close above here if I'm gonna be bullish. But we continues to hold this, and we're gonna obviously continue to go lower, in my opinion, targeting this sell side. But do we have SMT? Don't think so. Or do we? Let me go to the 5 minute. I'll go to the 15. Probably easy. No, I don't think we got SMT. Yeah, both of them touch that aura block. I don't think we got SMT right now. That's something to watch. Which is good that we're doing SMT. So for that, that's favoring lower prices if we don't get SMT um, at this moment. But I mean, if we go above this aura block and this 4 hour, it definitely be looking interesting. Potentially can be used as a breaker. I need to see more. Me personally, I need to see more. To consider it being a breaker, which is the body closing above it. Not so I'm not sold on that idea just yet. If this is going to start reversing, I just like a lot of confirmation. I'm not gonna lie to you. There's like a lot of confirmation. Need this body close above here, and then it'd be more considerable. Like, okay, is this possible? I'm also looking at the 15 minute. That's the only thing about this also well. Um, 15 minutes not in green. 5 minute you got this CSD. I'm gonna be patient. This might be part of the move. I'm gonna wait for more confirmation. Just because of the 5 minute and the 2 minute, it looks pretty decent on the 2 minute. But I'm just not. The 5 minutes not green. I like the 5 minute green, man. I really do. I don't know why. So like right now, we're just kind of giving it more time, just giving it more patience. Um, this absolutely could start pushing up, but it's not giving me the confirmation that I would like to trust it. 2 minute it looks really good, but then you start zooming out and you start seeing like, okay, this is literally all I have to work off of. Other than that, we just tapped into this aura block, come back down, and it's a very gap on the 15 minute and the 5 minute. Right, so I had problems um, on the higher time frame telling me, okay, the 1 minute looks cool, 2 minute looks cool, but 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute, not like the other time frames wasn't really in agreements. So again, right now we're just weighing this one out. Potential area right there. Kind of saw that it was. I looked at the time frames like real time. You can quite clearly see that. Saw that, in my opinion, it started to become a low probability. The only thing we had going for us was the 1 minute. You want, ideally, if you're going to take a trade, you would love for the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, if possible, to be in agreement. And when you got that, you got really high probability trade. I was thinking about showing this, but you know what? I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I looked at the time. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna wait. So right now, I'm not doing anything. I'm just gonna wait for 1020, 1040 macro to kind of give me maybe an idea of what we're gonna do, and just be patient. No, I take this. I'm just seeing what this stop will look like. Okay. Yeah, it's not inside macro, so that's why I'm not taking it. I was just trying to see how the stop will look like. Should get some displacement through here. These lows right here. Be surprising if we don't actually. Uh, coming this far low. This low. The only thing is we're not inside macro, so that could be why we're holding it. But you see midnight. You can see the buy is literally staying inside that midnight in that or the lower half of the RTH. So I want to see if we get above here and start targeting all this. But I gotta see. See if I want to put this there. Let's see us get above here. So I want to see if we get above here. Do we got 15-minute fair value gap? That would be great if we did. We got 15 fair value gap, but it's up here though. That's great. So it's up here. You could use consequent encouragement of this wick right here, but I'm gonna have to stream a like a London session or maybe even pre New York or something like that. This whole week has been um majority of times like you just need to see more information at the very beginning. You know what I mean? Like I need to see more information before you take a trade, whatever. And the like around 11:30, 12 o'clock, it starts clearing back up where you can like kind of see a potential move, or in my opinion. But these first, I don't know, hour so it hasn't been. I don't know. It just hasn't been, amazing. I should say. I'm just flipping through the time frame, trying to look at what we're doing on this higher time frame. It's 1 minute matching up with 2 minute, 2 minute matching up with everybody. It's been interesting when we get above this high, or this or making this a big aura block. Because technically this would be a proportion block, so this is your aura block. Then you got your proportion block right here. The last series down closed candles. A little small SMT, right? We actually stabbed in, now stabbed into this fair value gap, which as you can see we weren't able to get into. We stopped at the aura block. So there's a small SMT at the highs. Very little. It was a 1 minute SMT, but it's interesting. So 3 minute had that fair value gap right there. Yeah, it had a fair value gap right there, so potentially go up. So now we're in the 10-20 macro. Um, at my desk, I can see the CBO. Oh yeah, you did show. You showed me the picture. That's sick, dude. I forgot you in Chicago. That's sick. That's sick. Did y'all get any snow in like that? That's sick, dude. Go over there, knock on the door, and tell him to fix his price, man. What we doing? Why we consolidating so long? Go over there, and knock on the door for me. Break in the gym and say, hey yo, can you fix this? I don't know if anybody's been noticing this, but the last 2 weeks, or last 2 days, the 10 to 11 has been absolute trash. I'm just gonna throw that out there. If you trade that window, it's been absolute trash. And maybe I'm expecting too much. Maybe I'm expecting. Do we get S&T? Am I tripping? I'm on different time frame. I was like, what? Sit up next to me. Buying this deal next week 500 in 4 hours. Buying the deal. Buying this. I'll buy this right now. Yeah, it's not. I mean, because when you zoom out, we are bullish. Yeah, SP 500. Yeah, that's what I'll be. Definitely. I'll be looking at ES now. Just came into this aura block, start pushing back up, so it's possible. Just want a little more. My problem is, not even my problem. I just be wanting a little more confirmation, if possible. I guess but dead serious, man. Go over and break in for me, please. Right, tell them, say, hey, need you pull up on them. Tell them that it's highly important that the charts go back to normal. Tell them that the last 2 days, 10. I mean, give them the whole business. Tell them the last 2 days, 10 and 11 has been trash. We had to stay on the charts longer, and we just not accepting it no more. On behalf of the trading industry, we need you to fix this problem. And I already know what they're gonna say. We're gonna get right on it because you know what I'm saying. That's what they're gonna say. We're gonna get right on it. Sit there and say thank you kindly. I've seen this so many times before. You know what? I'm assuming what's gonna happen is 10:30 is gonna like go dumb, go crazy. On the dom. It's 10:26. So I'm gonna be literally staring at this when this bad boy turns to 10:30. I want to see what price do. Is holding price in this little holding pattern for something. Let me figure out what is going on. Uh, I'm telling you, I had the same question to myself yesterday. If you, I'm not mad if you took a trade. So you took a trade between 10 to 11 or 10 to 10:30, like right now, from here, from on out, from yesterday and today. I don't know if you won. I don't know if you lost. I don't even, this, honestly, that's not, I don't even think that's like part of it. Because if it's part of your strategy, it's part of your strategy. What did you trade? It'd be my questions be for people like this. Like, if, what am I, what are you, like, you know what I mean? Like, what are you operating off of? Like, really? I mean, it's sincerely. Like, I'm looking at this, my brain saying, no. My brain is looking at it saying, no, I'm good. If you think about it, this is where the dip and selling. Yeah, what would you? Well, um, yes, yes. Are you trying for? Yes. If you, oh yeah, yeah. You from a high time frame? Yeah, I agree. I don't know where your where you think the stop. Where you think that's? Where you think you would put your? What's a good spot for putting stop loss at? Maybe below this order block, something like that. Right here. So buy here, and then stop loss up in here or something. I don't know. I can get with that. I agree with that. I agree with that. Yeah, I can agree with that. The only thing I would just be scared, like if you used to, I agree with that. Because this, if this holds, then of course we go up here. Like if I, yeah, I agree with that. Because I would just like for us to get above here, then come up. But as you just said, if you buy from here, yeah, you can do that. Yeah, it's a great point. Oh shoot, that's my. Then zooming out, it does look like we finna. Oh, 10:30. Oh, 10:30 did not drop it. Okay, I'm surprised. No, 10:30 did not drop it. Not yet, at least. So we got potential areas of liquidity, which would be here, here, and then this big old imbalance. I'm not gonna lie to you. If we do start trading up, though, I will be targeting this low resistance liquidity run because we are bullish on high time frame. But for me, I'm gonna need us to get in this area, getting away from all this. So looking like this. If we do get above here, yeah, prices don't fake price. I'm gonna have to, yeah, I'm gonna stream like London session, something like that. It's gonna be, I don't know, man. Like this, you see, and I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna be done talking. This is what I'm talking about. So my London session starts from 2 to 4, 2 to 4, 2 to 5, 2 o'clock a.m. Okay, boom, displacement. It's around. I guess you got to trade here, or you could trade this. I don't know, but I just feel like that this is like, and we just starting off like I guess maybe it's the first 30 minutes. I don't know. I mean, if anybody else was wondering what this level was, this is literally a 4 hour fair value gap. I mean, look at the buys respecting it right there. Just closing, literally just hovering around it. That's that 4 hour imbalance. A high time frame, look at the past time we went to market push harder. Next day continues, but I continue to be wrong. December 20th. Oh, you're talking about like this move right here? It possibly. I'm not. It's either or. It's not like a in my opinion, it's not like a yeah we absolutely sell off. Oh yeah, we absolutely go up. That's why I'm just kind of waiting, being patient, waiting for confirmation. Because I agree with you. If it sold off, I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If it sold off, I wouldn't be surprised. But if we went up, I wouldn't. I also this is yesterday, wherever this was. I was so bullish. I was like, I didn't take no sales. Like I knew I was very likely that we was gonna push up because it's new week opening gaps up here. I don't even have that on. I'm tripping. Whoa, I'm tripping. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I am tripping. Dog, we got that many new week opening gaps on us? Okay. All right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is something also ICT teaches. I just should have this anchor back on, but sorry. When we in between two new week opening gaps, new day opening gaps, you can expect some back and forth price action. What's NAS looking like? Are we between those two? So we got a new week opening gap up here. New day opening gap. All right, got a lot of stuff. We're consolidating. Honestly, you know what I wish? This is crazy. This is actually what I wish. I hope we consolidate, manipulate down, and then come back up. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yep, we need some more convincing that, so we're just gonna be chilling our way. It's cool that it's buying right now, but I know if this thing is really bullish and it's supposed to do what it's supposed to do, then should be able to get entry in like right from here or something. Maybe like a pullback, a proportion block, fair value gap, something. You don't have to be in this tight consolidation range to be in the trade. Like if you was in the trade, I'm not telling you to take a trade. Like if I used to buy this, you just hoping that this is with the end of this consolidation, and I'd rather it prove to me that, or have a better inclination of this is outside of the consolidation. Technically, we're still in it. Yeah, we have fair value gap, but we could easily just reverse this and go lower. This is where, in my opinion, I think it's just be more. It's just better to be a little more patient. Not saying it can't work. Not saying it can't. It it's not saying it's possible, but yeah, it isn't. Yeah, I just feel like we just don't know. Could it be? Sure. Does it have to be? Nope. I mean, I'm tell this is why we're doing live streams. This is why we like live streams and stuff like that. It's gonna be potentially on the Discord and stuff like that. I mean, I'm telling y'all, so you probably like, okay, how'd you know that? I took so many L's like that, it ain't make any sense. Either okay, even if this is not L, which is looking like an L, if somebody took it for a buy, I will be sweating so many bullets, like the mental capital on this trade, and it had everything to do because you zoomed in, you zoomed in. That's all I really can't say nothing more about that. If anything, a part of this video, I may even clip it because I feel like that right there, this is such a money making, and not as in not taking it. I didn't burn any capital. I didn't burn any mental capital. I wanted to buy, saw a fair value gap. It actually finally did what it's supposed to do, leave the fair value gap. But look, the way but if we start like zooming out, we didn't go anywhere. We did not go a single thing. We didn't do a single thing. We didn't do a single thing. And this will be where I take a trade and X, Y, Z, blah, blah, market shift up and all that good stuff. But you guys zoom out. You gotta zoom out and seeing, when we did that, we didn't break any significant high. And then you really think about it, you're just trying to time you're trying to time when we enter. No, let me say this again. You're trying to time when we're leaving consolidation, instead of just letting the chart just prove to yourself like, okay, we're completely out of it. How you know we're completely out of it? When that thing trades here or trades here. This little box from here to here, you can draw it out like that. You can do it if you want to, you can do it like that. Nothing. I guess I'm not gonna do it. I just do a little one. Don't take any trades in here. Don't do it. Don't do a single thing. Don't hit buy. Don't hit sell. Because clearly, we've been doing this for the last 30 minutes. No, 40 minutes. So why even jump in here for potential buy or potential sell when we just been chopping up? Like you trying to guess it? The count's tossing and turning and doing all this stuff. Like you don't gotta do all that, man. No, no, no. Like this is it. This is for a buy. This is for a sell. We don't know. I'm just gonna chill out. Because look at the 2 minute, look at the 3 minute, look at the 4 minute, look at the 5 minute. Looks awful. Unless you like you say, unless you put your stop loss way below the, unless you trade, well, higher time frame standpoint, buy like right here, and you put your stop loss here, so type jump. But intraday, 1 minute, 2 minute entries and stuff like that, this ain't it. We have been stuck in this 4 hour February gap. This is crazy, man. I mean, it's not upset. It's not even upsetting. It's upsetting because it's like, okay, let's go live, do all that good stuff, and then it's like, oh yeah, well we're gonna consolidate the first hour. But London session was clean. Pre New York was clean. But yeah, now we're just gonna. If anything, this just proves, like I said, this just proves the patience and you need to have on the charts. I guess this is a patient stream week. Um, I'm telling you, somebody. I'm not. I'm not saying it as in like, oh, I hope this happened. I'm not saying it like that because I know this happened to me. Someone absolutely got chopped up in this, man. This you got chopped in this. No, you did. And it's no. And the reason I can't say anything about it is just got to zoom out. This is awful. This is awful. All right, boss man. I was only looking. See you later, man. This is abysmal. Just been chilling. All right, y'all. I'm finna shut down the live stream. Um, bias is we pull up in here, targeting this liquidity, targeting this part of liquidity. I'm more bullish than anything, just because we were so hesitant of going lower. So I'd like for us to get up higher. So over here, maybe a potential buy area. Need to see how the candles format, but yep. I thought we was gonna have a trade by here by now. So hopefully we'll come back to lunch like it happened last time. And I end up doing good, but yes, that stinks, man. We want to have a trade on live, but we dealt with the cards they dealing, and they're dealing pretty good cards right now. So try to make it to where I can stay longer, but yeah. All right, y'all.